far as scan techniques go, the first is it's a good idea to keep your windshield clean, because any kind of traffic is going to be smaller than a bug smear initially if you're trying to find it. What's good to do is in whatever airplane you're flying, try to reference yourself with clock positions and things that are fixed on your canopy. So for me in this Super Cub, these V-bars up here are really good reference to use in terms of where traffic is. And over time, if you just get used to referencing the clock position, then the position relative to the horizon. Most of us have a tendency to look too aggressively up or down for traffic when it's not at our altitude, when in reality, it'll be within about 3 fingers of you. Most traffic that's going to be a factor to you is within those 3 fingers of distance when they're out at about the 5-mile point. As they get closer in, you'll need to increase your scan a little bit, but if you start within 3 fingers of the horizon, that's the traffic that's going to be a big conflict to you. And then you just establish yourself a dedicated scan, and it really doesn't have to be that intense to do it. It will for a while, but after you do it a little bit, you'll notice, first of all, your eyes tend to focus in close. The natural focus of your eyes is somewhere around, I think it's around 18 inches or something like that. It's pretty close. So to get your eyes to focus on where distant traffic might be, and you're going to need some good acuity to see the traffic and how small it's going to appear, focus on something way out in the distance, and then look up and start a scan. About a 3 to 5 second scan, maybe back and forth. And then focus your eyes again, and then transition the next piece of your windshield. Then focus your eyes again, and scan the next piece of your windshield, again starting within that 3-finger scan. And if you're just working yourself away across your windshield like this, all the way out to your left 9 position, your wing positions, the back of your wing, again focusing your eyes way on the hills and the horizon, then scan, focusing your eyes way on the clouds in the horizon, and now a scan, 3 to 5 second scan. If you do that over and over, after a while, that'll just become the way that you're sightseeing as you travel across the country. You'll find it is just like anything else in flying. It'll no longer take a lot of effort. It just becomes the habit in the way that you look outside the airplane.